Hi, this is Kavita Saini and I am a legal intern of Lexington Company and I am a law student of IME Law College, and today we are going to discuss about a new topic, which is laws for resolving interstate water dispute. India has witnessed several river water sharing disputes in the past. The disputes between upper riparian states and the lower ones are based on conflicting water use demands, and these are often attempted to get resolved through the announcement of water tribunal award or litigation in the courts. The solution to resolve water sharing disputes to begin with should include steps for conserving water in various sectors, and there has to be a continuous dialogue amongst stakeholders on the various aspects of water sharing. A permanent forum should be constituted for this purpose, and the resolution of water sharing disputes should not be the only one in the domain of government. All stakeholders must come forward to discuss and crystallize issue for their effective resolution, and there are some constitutional provisions for resolving interstate water disputes. First is entry 17 of the state list deals with water, that is water supply, irrigation, canal, drainage, embankment, water storage and water power. And entry 56 of union list empowers the union government for the regulation and development of interstate river and river valley to the extent declared by parliament to be expedient in the public interest. According to Article 262, in case of dispute relating to water, Parliament may be law provide for the adjudication of any disputes or complaint with respect to the use, distribution or control the water of or in any interstate river or river valley. Parliament may or may be by law provide that neither the Supreme Court or nor other court shall exercise jurisdiction in respect of any such dispute or complaint as mentioned above. And there are some major interstate river disputes like dispute between Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan over the river Ravi and these, and state like Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana having the dispute over the Krishna river, and Kerala and Karnataka and Tamil Nadu having a dispute over the river Kaveri. And there are some mechanism for interstate water dispute resolution. The resolution of water dispute is governed by the Interstate River Water Dispute Act of 1956. According to its provision, if a state government makes a request regarding any water dispute and the central government is of opinion that the water dispute can be settled by negotiation, then a water dispute tribunal is constituted for the adjudication of the water dispute. The act was amended in 2002 to include the major recommendation of the Sarkari Commission, and the amendments mandate a 1 year time frame to set up the water dispute tribunal and also a 3 time frame to give a decision. Issue with interstate water disputes tribunal and protected proceeding and extreme delays in dispute resolution. For example, in case of Godavari river dispute, the request was made in 1962, but the tribunal was constituted in 1968 and the award was given in 1907, and which was published in Gazette in 1980. And the Kaveri river dispute over tribunal constituted in 1990 and gave its final award in 2007. Necessity in the institutional framework and guidelines that define the proceeding and ensuring complaints and through what its final and beyond the jurisdiction of courts, either state can approach Supreme Court under Article 136 and under Article 32 liking issue with the violation of Article 21. The composition of the tribunal is not multidisciplinary and it consists of persons only from the judiciary. And the growing nexus between water and politics transformed a dispute into talks about bank politics, and too much discretion or too many stages at process, partly because of procedural complexities involving multiple stakeholders across government and agency. India's complicated federal polity and its common legacy. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video. So do like, share and comment. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.